If you're looking for the absolute Rolls Royce of a bird feeder, then I have this absolutely awesome Birdfy Feeder Duo with triple lens, which I got from the seller to show you. And this is an absolute masterpiece, not only regarding design, but also, of course, regarding the function and the cameras. I've already tested around 30 bird feeders, and this one here beats every one by far, but not only regarding design and function, but also regarding the software, the app, which is absolutely phenomenal regarding catching everything, AI notification. I have it here already since about 1 month, and it has been doing absolutely awesome job, has been catching so much more than every other bird feeder I had so far. Of course, we can also see some damage here because it's plastic. I mean, it's beautiful, but it's still plastic, and so you have to be a little bit careful when you have squirrels around. But it's actually my own fault here because I have been filling up a lot of peanuts here inside very high, and then sometimes they get stuck, and then of course the squirrels are doing what they are doing. They get to the food no matter what it costs. And so I would say if you're using just normal bird seeds, absolutely no problem. Or you can also use peanuts, but don't fill it too high, just here in the lower part, and then you don't have any problem. I mean, the damage was done already about 3 or 4 weeks ago, and since then no more damage. So you can see it's only in these areas here, which is not really impacting the function. And so I can still use it perfectly like this one here, still full function. But again, of course, better to just use normal bird seeds. If you're worried about this really beautiful design, of course, underneath I have the Birdfy metal bird feeder. And so if you're a little bit worried about any damage from squirrels, then this one is the one which I recommend, which is pretty much indestructible. You can see here there's a lot of dirt from the squirrels, but absolutely zero damage because it's metal. But of course, now let's get to the details. Installation was super easy with this hook here. We get also the really nice solar panel, which we can adjust directly into the sun. So of course, the beautiful design and the additional cameras require a little bit of extra work for the installation. So instead of just 5 minutes with this metal bird feeder, here it was more like 20 minutes or even half an hour, but it was definitely worth it because everything which it has been capturing is absolutely phenomenal. So let's get to the details now. That's the app, which is the most advanced bird feeder app I've ever seen, and I've tested really a lot. So we can see the different cameras. So we have the Birdfy Cam 2 Pro, which is the main camera of this bird feeder, but there's also the Birdfy Cam 2, which is the camera which is from the side recording, and this is absolutely phenomenal. Of course, here in between also the camera of the Birdfy metal bird feeder, which I have already since quite some time. And so we have the different tabs. Here on the left side we have the status overview, for example, also the charge indicator, and from here we can have the live view. We can have this also in full screen, so you can see how nice everything is. Absolutely beautiful colors, a lot of information, pretty much everything. We can also operate directly from here. Lights, speakers, microphone. We can also choose the resolution, start recording directly from here if we see something. And of course we can do the same thing with the side camera. That's the full screen view from the side camera. You can see also absolutely amazing quality, super detailed, ultra sharp, great colors. But of course we have much more here. In the center we have the moments. So when I click here, I get the overview from today. I can see all the visitors here, everything what has been going on. Of course a lot of squirrels, but if you're interested just in birds, you can hit this button. Then it brings up only the birds, and it has definitely identified this one here. And we get also notification, and not only on the smartphone, but even on the smartwatch with a full picture. And if there was not a lot from today, absolutely no problem. We can easily go back and then check what has been going on. For example, yesterday We can see this bird here, that's even a really special one. And so with all bird feeders which I had till now, it was absolutely impossible to catch this rare type of bird because I couldn't find it without these hundreds or thousands of recordings. And here it told me exactly that there was something special, and it's an absolute beautiful recording. We can see the identification here. So already this would be absolutely awesome, but on the right side we have even an easier way. When we slide to the right side, we see a lot of information about the plan, where we are, the account, coupon, subscription, these things. And on top of that, these absolutely awesome things. First the recap and then the highlights. So let's start with the recap. So here we have the recap from May 2026. So we can see what has been here. We had 4 different bird species, 290 bird visits, and we can see a preview directly here, and even some other interesting facts. Most frequent visitor, of course, the blue jay, no surprise. You identified this rare bird, northern cardinal, also perfect here. Perfect identification, didn't have to do anything. Yeah, this is absolutely amazing. And of course also the uninvited guests, these squirrels, but still love to feed them. And then of course the highlights, these very rare bird species here, a video which you can directly share, download whatsoever. Yeah, this is absolutely amazing. And watch this view from the side here of this blue jay. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? It's so amazing. Of course, I also love the view directly from the front, but I think the view from the side is even much better than the front views. And because we have actually not only 2 cameras, we have actually 3 cameras, we get even more than the normal main wide footage. We get more pictures, you can see, and even some really nice close-ups like this one here, absolutely amazing. Also here in this case you can see the additional camera is nicely following the object and zooming in, really nice. You can see so many nice things here. We can see the second camera even better when we go to the live view. Now the camera is switching to the landscape mode, where we see the main camera here and the second camera on the side. Of course, it's totally focused on close-ups, so as long as nothing is here, it will not show a sharp image here, but I can still manually move it around. You can see from left to right, right to left, but as soon as there's something here, it will follow the object and then make really nice close-ups. We can also zoom in and zoom out again. So for me, this is an absolute game changer. I would say my best bird feeder I've ever seen so far. So I would say full recommendation from my side. And if you're interested into this bird feeder, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you or for your family members, friends, or whatsoever. Could be also a great gift. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this bird feeder, and just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.